everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're curious about how to start your career as a virtual assistant, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the full step-by-step guide from the tools to the skills you need and how to apply online kahit beginner ka pa lang. And at the end, may free checklist ako for you, so stay tuned. Let's start with the basics. So a virtual assistant is someone who works remotely and someone who supports businesses or entrepreneurs with different tasks. Pwede sa admin work, content creation, lead generation, customer service, as well as social media. The great part? Pwede kang kumita kahit nasa bahay ka. All you need is a laptop and a stable internet. Mahirap ba maging VA? Okay, hindi siya ganun kahirap pero hindi rin siya magic. You don't need a fancy degree or experience, pero kailangan mo ng time, effort, and willingness to learn. Once you're equipped with the right tools and mindset, madali ka na lang makapasok. So here's our step-by-step on how to become a VA. Step 1 is to choose your VA path. Saan ka ba interesado? Mahilig ka ba sa admin tasks like managing emails or schedules? Or creative ka ba into graphics and design? Maybe you also enjoy organizing things or doing research. Knowing what you're good at helps you decide what services you can offer. Step 2 is to learn the tools. Ito mga free tools na madalas gamitin ng mga VA, you can start learning them now. First is we have the Gmail plus Google Workspace. You can access here docs, sheets, as well as the slides. And we also have Canva. Canva is for simple graphics. Zoom or Google Meet for meetings or interviews. Trello, Asana, or Notion is to track your tasks and stay organized. And we also have Loom. This is to record your screen and explain things. Lahat ito madali at free aralin kahit sa YouTube may free tutorials. Here are the basics but essential VA skills. We have communication. This can be written or verbal. Clear English is important. Kailangan mo to sa emails, sa meetings, as well as sa mga chats. Online research, minsan nahanapan ka ng client ng mga infos, leads, or suppliers. So, dapat alam mo paano mag-research efficiently. Time management. Walang boss na magbabantay sa'yo 24/7, so you have to manage your time wisely. And we also have the basic data entry and formatting. You'll often use Google Docs or Sheets, so dapat marunong ka. This is optional but helpful. You can also explore social media familiarity as well as customer service or chat support background. Step 4 is to build your sample portfolio. A portfolio is just a collection of sample tasks or mock work. Hindi mo kailangan ng real client. Gumawa ka lang ng fake tasks na parang totoong trabaho. Hindi mo kailangan ng real client. Gumawa ka lang ng fake tasks na parang totoong trabaho. For example, we have sample spreadsheet, sample social media caption, plus Canva post. You can also do short research summary. Ilagay mo to lahat sa isang Google Drive folder and make a shareable link. Ito ang ipapasa mo sa client when applying. Step 5 is to apply for VA jobs. Once ready ka na, you can start applying. And here are the platforms you can try. We have onlinejobs.ph. This is more on Filipino focus. Upwork is usually for international clients. We also have freelancer groups sa Facebook. LinkedIn, may mga legit job post dito. Reminder, be careful with scammers. Never pay just to get hired. We have here a bonus. It is a VA niches you can explore. Gusto mong mag-focus later, here are some common VA roles. Admin VA is for email handling and calendar management. Social media VA is for content creation, scheduling, and engagement. Lead generation VA is research for potential clients or customers. Content VA is for writing blogs and doing research. E-commerce VA is helping online shops with their orders or customer service. Kapag nahanap mo na saan ka magaling, you can niche down and charge more. So there you have it, a full Beginner friendly. So there you have it, a full beginner-friendly guide to becoming a virtual assistant. Remember, you don't have to be perfect just to get started. Just take action, learn daily, and improve along the way. Don't forget to like, comment, and share as well as subscribe for more VA tips. Salamat sa panonood and I'll see you on the next video.